Hi there, I'm Matt. I'm one of the members at Spokeland. I've been volunteering here for 2 years, and the reason I come back every Sunday and volunteer at our shift is because I've had so far at least 2 kids who have assembled their bikes and are better mechanics than most adults that come in.
My name is Simeon. I've been riding my bike for 11 years. I like coming to Spokeland because it makes me feel confident about working on my bike and fixing my own stuff. Makes me feel like a handyman.